Hi, my name is Billy Sulo. I'm the owner of Billy Sulo Salon, and I've been in business since 1978. And I hold the key to my success to great work. Haircutting is my specialty, and service. We specialize in haircutting. We are excellent hair cutters and also coloring and highlights and keratin treatments. At first, I was a little leery about this whole text messaging service, getting my clients to opt in. But I've seen a tremendous support from my clients and the value that they've been coming in with the deals and the coupons. It's just been helpful to my business and the success of my business. People come in, I smile every time I see one of my clients come in and say, "Oh, Billy, look, and I got the text message service," and it makes me smile, and I say, wow, this is working. I would absolutely recommend Royal Text to other salons, spas, or any type of business that want to continue to put your name out in front of your clients weekly, and I've seen the value in it for me personally.